how to send large audio files on WhatsApp. So on this process, just you have to open the Google Drive and upload that large audio files on the Google Drive. So simply you have to open the Google Drive. Okay, so as you can see, I have already uploaded the large audio file, so I want to share on WhatsApp. So simply you have to upload it by clicking on this plus icon, and from here you have to go with the options upload, and from here you can upload the audio file. Okay, so after you updated the audio file, so you want to share on WhatsApp, you will have to click with three dot options just at the right of the audio file. So simply tap on the three dot, and from here you'll have to go with the options manage access, and from here make sure you have changed this general access with anyone with link. So to change it, you have to click on this change option, and from here you can set the options anyone with the link. So I have already done it, so you have to done it like this, anyone with the link. So after you done this, you will have to back from here, and simply you have to copy the link of this audio file. So simply back, and from here again you have to click on these three lines, and from here you have to go with the options copy links. Okay, so the link has been copied to my clipboard. So now to share the audio file on WhatsApp, you have to open your WhatsApp account, and from here you can choose the specific person who we want to share this audio file. So simply I'm selecting this, and from here I can give the copied link of that audio file. So simply from here I can paste the link from here. Okay, so as you can see, I have successfully sent the audio files to the WhatsApp with the Google Drive link. So likewise, you can also send the large audio files on your WhatsApp. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.